On top with tori for today. I go put party matter for mind well for this final term. Presido Buhari talk this one. Presido Muhammadu Buhari talk this one when he received members of National Working Committee of APC for State House, Abuja. And this meeting na the first meeting wey he get with them after election wey shele for February, where APC take tanda as ruling party for Nigeria and make next level agenda dey ground as Naija people vote well for them. This meeting can give better opportunity for Presido and National Working Committee to take jollificate on top the last election victory and to talk on top how dem go make Naija people life take better and dey gidigba. For this meeting, Vice Presido Yemi Osibanjo dey gidigba for there, as Presido Buhari con talk say im go carry party matter well for mind, as he can salute APC National Chairman Comrades Adam Aliyu Shomole and other members of the party on top the work wey dem do for the last general election, the one wey make APC tanda well for votes and victory.
Thank you very much.
He explained say the success wey the party get, e show say this committee no use am play, as time wey dem take work, dem fit use am take play, but dem no do like that. And at this one make am respect everything with the party dem wey dem do. Presido con talk say nobody go fit pay the National Working Committee for the work wey dem do for Nigeria and for Naija people.
The last lap for me, I have to be very, very party conscious. I respect the sacrifice you are making. Please continue to make this sacrifice and believe in that you are working for the country and all our people, and that no material benefit will pay you adequately.
He can still beg the National Working Committee members to make them follow party constitution, as e be say e go better make them understand them before them shook mouth for the decision wey the party go make. Presido con tell them say members wey get better experience go join them to take contribute to how Naija go take grow as head and chairman of boards of government parastatals and agencies. Vice Presido Yemi Osibanjo con talk say e important well make them work for Naija people to take deliver the promise wey dem give them when dem talk say dem wan come take power. He con talk say e no go make sense make dem fail Naija people, as he talk about the programs wey federal government don do, like Empower, the one wey dey help Naija youth for the country.
If we came into office saying that we want a program that has integrity and that our people can say this government did the right thing, then we must do the right thing. Empower, for example, has maintained a certain integrity with the Nigerian people and young people in particular. They all say that I did not need to know a senator, I did not need to know anybody to apply. And these people are very loyal to us. They are loyal to us as a government and as a party.
APC National Chairman Comrades Adam Aliyu Shomole, he can talk say work dey ground for them as party to do, to give Naija people wetin dem deserve, as them plan to comot poverty for the country and see say Naija people like e dey better and e dey gidigba.
This renewed mandate is a call to duty, and there's a lot to be done to deliver to the people of Nigeria. Our party must be seen, putting policies in place that will lift our people out of poverty and recreate the Nigerian middle class. And unless you recreate the Nigerian middle class, you are not going to have a stable, peaceful society.
Oshomole talk say pain am for body say APC lose for some states, but he happy well for the victory wey dem get for Kwara State and for Gombe State. Adams Oshomole talk say for Kwara dem don comot the ruling power and dem don tanda gidigba put for Kwara State better and loyal APC people wey ready work for Naija people. As he can still salute Presido Muhammadu Buhari for the kind way he take dey rule the country and the support wey they give the party, the one wey make them get better office, the one wey they call principal office for the 9th National Assembly. Now here we see the better information reach on top with tori for today. As Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk say im go put party matter put for mind well for this final term wey in the office. Make una no forget say this ogbonge tori for today wey una hear so na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba put for una. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as they happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, more una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. More na follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.